Hello! In this video, we will form regular and irregular past tense verbs. Look at this paragraph. We go to the park last night. It is like a concert. I tried to tell which animals are nearby. Frogs speak, croak. Moths flutter by. Owls hoot, and crickets chirp. After a while, we leave. We love our visit to the park. It is confusing. Why? The phrase last night shows that the action happened in the past, but the verbs are present tense. We can change the tense of the verbs so the paragraph makes sense. To make a regular verb past tense, we add ed. Flutter, hoot, and chirp are regular verbs. Add ed. Fluttered, hooted, chirped. Love ends with an e. When a verb ends with an e, you add d to make it past tense. We loved our visit to the park. What about try? For most verbs that end with y, you change the y to I and add ed. I tried to tell which animals were nearby. Irregular verbs don't follow these rules. You will have to memorize their past tense forms. Let's change the irregular verbs in the paragraph. We went to the park last night. It was like a concert. I tried to tell which animals were nearby. Frogs spoke, croak. Moths fluttered by. Owls hooted, and crickets chirped. After a while, we left. We loved our visit to the park. And that's how you form regular and irregular past tense verbs. See you next time.